When in the design library, you'll see two toolbars up here at the top. The top one, if you click any of these first buttons, it will take you out of the design library. We'll be focusing on this one. This is the context bar. The context bar in Hatch changes based on what you're doing and where you are. So let's start with the layout button. The layout button controls which panes are visible. So for example, if I turn off the navigation pane, we can see more designs. I'll turn that back on. We also have a details pane, and I need to select a design for that to work. And you can see that we see more details about the design. And if I click preview pane, that far right pane toggles. So we can only have one or the other of the details or the preview pane. I'll turn that off. The info button toggles the design information docker. This docker is really useful because it tells you a lot about your design. Once again, you need to have a design selected. You can see summary information. Because we have a Hatch design here, we have extra fields, which are these white ones, that we can enter our own information. Anything with a gray background is what Hatch is determining from the design. So you have 4 tabs here, and you can find out extra information about each design. We'll talk more about the information docker in future lessons. The collection button opens the keyboard design collection docker. What this docker does is it allows you to map designs to various keyboard characters. Future lessons will go in just how to do that. The View menu lets you choose how the designs are displayed. Right now I'm looking at large icons. I can look at extra large icons to see more about the designs. I can choose a smaller one, say medium, to see more designs. When I choose small on this computer, it only shows the Hatch icon, not a thumbnail image of the design. And that can depend on your video drivers. You also have a list view, details view. I use this one a lot. Nice one about this one, you can change the sort order by clicking on the headers. So you might want to see your designs by size. Now because this is a really useful view, you can toggle between icon, those are large icons, and the detail list. So icons, detail list. Tiles looks like this, and contents looks like this. I'll go back to large icons. I'll go back up to the designs level. Group by lets us group the designs by folder, file name, file type. Let's try folder. And you can see what happens. You can see all the designs, and you can see exactly what folder they're in. You can sort them up or down. We also have a sort field. You can sort by file name. I often like to sort by date modified. And if I do by modified down, then I can see the most recent ones. Notice the other sort options. You can sort by embroidery size, the number of stitches, and the number of colors. You can't do that in File Explorer. We already learned about showing in a previous lesson. We'll cover the search option next.